Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Yan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading or baka konti lang. Now, take what's only yours. Virgo, medyo parang mai-stress tayo ngayong linggong ito dahil I feel like gusto nating may ma-achieve. So, meron tayong sinabi, probably this is a demand. This might be a request, no? Or this might be something that you said, naisip mo lang, no? Sinabi mo, and then your person said, oo, or gagawin ko, or at least pinakasa tayo, no? But I feel like, sinabi mo dito, parang nagda-doubt ka. Am I demanding or am I saying things too much? Dahil parang feeling mo lang naman, ito ba ay gagawin, matutupad, probably you're also testing your person, no? Let's say sa mga singles or crushes, siguro nagtapat tayo ng emotion, no? Ngayon, we are worried, um, ano kaya yung magiging tingin nitong person na to sa akin, no? Magiging tingin ba niya is napusok ako, malandi ba ako, no? Or kung lalaking nanonood sa atin, fuckboy ba ako, yung ganyan, no? Kasi parang sinabi mo, sana pala hindi ko muna sinabi. So parang nauna yung salita ng bibig natin, tapos parang medyo nagda-doubt tayo ngayon sa pwedeng mangyari, no? Sa mga no labels, I feel like siguro nakapag-open tayo, no? Na gusto ko magkaroon ng relationship sa'yo. We're very direct on that. Ngayon, wala pang sagot, wala pang response. Probably you express um, this thing sa um, messenger, no? Or hindi tayo nabigyan ng response agad. Tapos parang sasabi natin, ay shit, parang wrong move. Yun yung parang nagiging ano mo, um, conclusion, no? Parang wrong move yata ako. So in a relationship or married, in a relationship, no? Baka kasi nagkapagbigay muna tayo na or nasabi natin, ay kailangan ko na ng kasal, no? Or I'm ready to have a family. Ayan, patay tayo doon. Tapos biglang, ay shit, ready kaya siya? No? Me and my big mouth. Yun yung parang gusto mo parang gusto, ano ba yan? Um, pero yun kasi yung totoo kong nararamdaman that time. 'Di ba? Kaya ako nasabi. Wala naman yun sa akin. Na-open up ko lang. No? Pero kung mangyayari, that would make me real happy. No? Pero kung hindi, sige, I'm still willing to wait. Kaso lang, ang sa'yo is, baka natakot ko ba si person? No? I'm a little worried. Now, doon sa third party situation or baka sa married couple, no, ready na ako magkaanak, no? Um, baka bigla mo naisip, ay shit, naalala ko pala, napag-usapan namin to before, pero wala naman na siya magagawa. Ayoko lang magkaroon ng masamang impression, no, kay person. So, sa third party, baka nasabi niya, gusto ko ako lang, no? Wala namang masama kasi that's how you feel. You just expressed it, no? Little do you know na ito palang inyong mga sinabi, narinig. Actually, the bottom line here is, I'm going to grant your request. That is true. No, sa singles, um, feeling mo hindi ka narinig, narinig ka. Or sa mga crushes, na singles and crushes, almost the same. Narinig kita. I feel like itong week na ito, Virgo, April to 8 to 14, so, a no label situation or no labels or situationship, siguro this is the time na kailangan mo na mag-goodbye, no, sa pagiging single mo. I feel like this is the week wherein magkakaroon ka ng status doon sa Facebook, no, na in a relationship with, what do you call this? Nakatag or, yeah, nakalink si person. Um, Wala akong ibang masabi kundi congratulations. I feel like itong lakas ng loob mo is worth taking the risk, worth the, kumbaga, you risk, and then, para sa mong bahala na si Batman, no? Pero hindi mo naman inaasa. Well, you're hoping, yes, ah, pero yung sinasabi mo, eto ba yung nakachamba? Hindi eh. Hindi ito chamba. Well, siguro, ito nga rin. Kasi yung part of you wants to say no, part of you wants to say yes, but you did it anyway kasi ayaw mo na rin dito sa situation na you're living in what if, no? What if kung ganito, what if kung ganyan. And I think that you followed your intuition in here and I am seeing bigla kang sumakses, no? Uh, in a relationship or married, um, I feel like meron tayong hiningi dito na ibibigay naman at kayang ibigay, which is gagawin ni person. Whether it is also paglipat ng bahay, no? I think that si person also is looking at some place, maybe not in hindi pa nag-ocular, pero nag-check na siya sa mga Facebook, no? Um, sa paglipat ng bahay. For a few numbers of you wanting to also open up a karinderya or a food stand, whether this is milkshake, coffee, what have you. I feel like this is parang oo din dito si person, no? And I feel like meron siyang good news. Actually, there's some good news. Not some. There's really a good news that your person may bring to the table, no? Third party, baka hindi mo inaasahan. Baka feeling mo nasa third party ka pero you are actually not in a third party situation anymore. You might be in a committed relationship now, no? Napakagandang reading. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, dun po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede po kayong magtanong doon. Pero kung hindi nyo naabutan, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. There is a link sa description box ng video na ito. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code for your reference, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Na? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Capricorn, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cancer. No? This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just